Hey guys, hope you are fine, doing great. And today in this video, we take a look on how you'll be able to install the Handbrake software on your Windows PC. So in order to install, you have to just your browser. In my case, I'm opening the Chrome browser. Whatever your browser you have, you just click on it. Okay. In the search bar, we have to just type the Handbrake. Okay, Handbrake download. Okay, and here the first link will appear. You have to just click on that link. Okay, and just click on it. Once you click on it, here you see you have a window installer. Right now we are on the window, so just click on the first link. Okay, you have to just click on the first link. Once you click on it, it will automatically start downloading. Here you see it will just take a few seconds, 22 MB setup. So now you see our setup is installed. Okay, and click on the folder icon. Here our setup is downloaded. So in order to install this, first to install the Handbrake, make sure you have first installed that thing. I will mention the link of this in the comment section or description. So just check out. You have to just install the window installer. So this is also just 54 MB setup. Right now I also already installed it, so I just stop it. So when you first time install the Handbrake, you must need this installer, runtime installer. So make sure that, you had installed this. So how you can install this? I already installed, but for you, I once again just double click on it, and here I'm asking me to uninstall. It's a simple, just you have to just click on install, and it will install automatically. Okay, right now I not need to. I just cancel it. Okay, now we see our main thing is how we install the Handbrake. Just double click on it, just click on the next, and it will ask you for where you want to install the current directory of the installation. Just click on the PC, and wherever the partition you want to install drive disk, just click on it. Okay, and the next click on install. Okay, just wait for it. It will take a few seconds. Here we go. Our Handbrake is installed. Okay, finish. And here you see our desktop icon is appeared, and just double click on it. And after that, okay, it will asking for the update. Just click on yes. And here you see our Handbrake is installed. And now you can choose it.